Hi children, how are you? Now today we are going to discuss be reading superstitions around the world. Now all of you children open page number 109. Now see the story. Superstitions means a belief which have no proofs. See, they are believing but they don't have proofs. Now superstitions around the world. Now it is very interesting to know that most superstitions have to do with luck. See, how most superstitions, how they are happening? They are happening with luck. Some of them are very funny too. Some of them are very funny also. Now sometimes an unlucky thing in one area is a lucky thing in another area. See, if someone feels it has anything as unlucky, it is lucky to another person. Now in Brazil they believe that walking under a ladder brings bad luck. In Brazil what they are believing? They are believing that if they walk under ladder like this, see in the picture given here, if they are walking like this under the ladder, that going to bring them bad luck. Now the Australians believe that breaking a mirror is unlucky. What they are believing, Australian people? If you are breaking a mirror, that brings them unlucky. People in Ireland say that one should never move back and forth on empty chair, rocking chair. See, Ireland people what they are believing? We should not move, never move the empty chair, front side and back side. In Hawaii, fishermen believe that bringing bananas on a boat would bring bad luck to them. In Hawaii, what they are believing? If we are bringing bananas on boat, that going to bring them bad luck. See how funny it is. If we are bringing means bananas, anything bad luck happen? No. But in Hawaii, that they are believing if they are bringing bananas on boat, that would bring them bad luck. Now many people say giving or taking anything with left hand brings bad luck. See, many people what they are thinking, anything is given or taken with left hand, that will bring them bad luck. What if a person is a left-hander? See, what if a person is left-hander? Hand is not important, good heart is important. If it is a left hand or not right hand, it is not important. We need good heart. But they are believing if anything taken by that left hand person, that would bring them bad luck. Now some people also believe that evil spirits are nearby if a light blows out. Some people what they are believing, a soul is moving out if a light is there. Now but there might be an open window somewhere. See how is there light? Because there is an open window somewhere there in the area. Now turn your page 110. Now see, generally people say that sneezing while starting to go to some places make you reach the place late. Now if anyone starting to go to some place, if anyone sneeze means they will sit there only for some time, afterwards they will go. Yes or no? In our places also, if we are sneezing, they will sit for some time and then take a move. Now what if the person who sneezes is suffering from cold? See, what if that person get cold mean how? What if the person who sneezes is suffering from a cold? Now you know that in many parts of the world coming across a black cat is considered as bad luck. See, in our place also we consider that whenever we are going outside, if a cat comes if a black cat comes across, we will also go back and sit for some time, then start again. Yes or no? Like that only. In some other places also they are believing that black cat is considered bringing them bad luck. But in the United Kingdom it is lucky to come across a black cat. United Kingdom what they are feeling, how they are feeling, what they are believing? They are believing that black cat comes, if a black cat come across, it brings them good luck. Now in many parts of the world, Friday is an unlucky day. In many parts of the world, Friday is an unlucky day. But in our country, Friday is a good day. Yes or no? We will all feel Friday as a good day, special day. Now, but in India, most of the people believe that Friday is auspicious. Friday is special day. Indian people, how they are believing Friday as a special day. But in many parts of the world, Friday is an unlucky day. Now, people in Telugu states do not like to start any work on a new moon day. People in Telugu states, they don't like to start any work on new moon day. But Tamilians believe that it is good to start their special events on a new moon day. Tamilians, what they are feeling, what they are believing, if they start any work on the event of new moon day, it brings them good luck. But in Telugu states, what they are feeling, if we are starting any work on new moon day, it is going to bring them bad luck. Now for Chinese, number 9 is lucky. For Chinese people, number 9 is lucky, while the Japanese considered it very unlucky. 9 number is unlucky to Japanese country. Aren't they really funny? Yes, they are really funny. Now can you say what is lucky and what is unlucky? Now can you say what is lucky and unlucky? Now see the page 111. Now see, read the following sentences taken from the essay. Now read the following sentences taken from the essay. Some of them are funny too. What if a person is a left-hander? The first sentence makes a statement. First sentence is a statement. Now such type of sentences are called assertive sentences. The second sentence asks a question. Such types of sentences are called interrogative sentences. See here, the sentence which expresses a statement is called assertive sentence. Now the sentence which asks questions are called interrogative sentence. Now in the first sentence you can see some of them are funny too. It is a statement, so it is a assertive sentence. Now what if a person is a left-hander? He is asking questions, so it is an interrogative sentence. Now pick out 2 more statements from the essay and write them below. Now you pick out 2 more statements from the essay, from the story, and write them below here. Right now children, now write here them in the lines provided. Now the Australians believe that breaking a mirror is unlucky. This is a statement, so it is an assertive sentence. Now you write down the second one. Friday is an auspicious day. Auspicious day. Friday is an auspicious day. So it is a statements. So it belongs to assertive sentence. Now pick 2 more questions from the essay and write them below. Now you write interrogative questions here. Now what if a person is a left-hander. What if a person is left-hander? You are asking question, so put question mark after the completion of the question. Now it belongs to interrogative sentence. Now can you say what is lucky and unlucky? Unlucky. You put question mark after the completion of the question. Now these two statements belongs to interrogative sentence. These two statements belong to assertive sentence. So now you look at the picture given below. Write two statements and two questions based on the picture. Now you observe this picture and write two statements means assertive sentences and two questions means two interrogative sentences. You write down here. Now in picture what you can observe, see mother and son. So mother, what she is carrying in her hands? She is carrying laddu in her hands. The boy is asking for laddus. Now see, right here. So the mother is carrying a plate of laddus. Mother is carrying plate of laddus. You put full stop after the end of the sentence. Then the boy is talking with the woman. Boy is talking with the woman. Now what do you see in the picture? What do you see in the picture? Put question mark. You are asking question, so you put question mark at the end of the question. Now what is the woman carrying? Like this you complete the sentences there. Now you underline the difficult words from the lesson, children. Superstitions, interesting, superstitions. First one is superstition, second one interesting. Ladder, mirror, rocking, spirits, sneezing, suffering, considered, believe, auspicious, events. Now this is the your lesson, the unlucky face.